National Garden Scheme I always felt was a wonderful way of helping people. And one day at Chelsea Flower Show, I went up to the National Garden Society tent and offered to open the garden. I thought that if people were kind enough to come and look at this garden and pay for it, it might as well go to a good cause. I've been very fortunate. I've never been ill, but I've got lots of friends who have benefited from being cared for by Mary Curie nurses and the cancer campaign, and I think it is very important. 20 years ago, I was doing all the borders entirely myself, and being feeble and old, I can't now, which makes me very cross. But I've got wonderful help. They sometimes get very cross with me because they say I have eyes in the back of my head. I was very lucky in that Nicky Ridley helped me design the terraces. Nicky, very cleverly, I think, designed this, I don't know whether you call it a rill or a canal, and designed these bridges, which is very much a feature of this garden. And of course, as he was Lutyens's grandson, you can easily see how it evolved. This red tree peony, how it came there, I have completely forgotten. Whether I was given it and didn't know what it was and stuck it in, or I can't believe it could suddenly appear. I've never seen another one like it, and well-known botanists and arboriculturists have tried to propagate it without success. I don't know what its name is, but I think it's a lovely person. All my plants are people, and either I like them or I don't. And as I say, Cerise Bouquet over there, she's about 8 or 9 foot tall. She has vicious thorns, and the Duchess of Northumberland has her as a dot plant at Alnwick. Well, one of us is wrong, because that in no way is a dot plant. The wooden garden is the most hidden. One day my husband and I discovered the quarry. We really didn't know it existed, and there was the most hideous air raid shelter on the wall of the quarry. And my husband offered to blow the thing up, and we then started planting it with rhododendrons, azaleas, bulbs, and my hostas, which I love. I think with the pink autumn flowering one, we have rhododendrons from February through to October. I'd like to continue as long as I can. I keep saying to myself, this is the last year, but that goes on forever. One hopes that the garden will be at its best. It's very difficult to know what time of the year to choose, but I and my helpers, it does give us impetus to get everything shipshape.